Hey, so it's me, Taj, here at 420 Daniel Bluff Lane in Henrico, Virginia at the open house. We'll be here from 1 to 3 p.m. today. But I want to introduce you guys to my preferred lender, Tim Spaniel with South State Bank. And this message is for sellers. Sellers don't think to contact a lender when they're having issues with selling their home if it's sitting on the market for a long time. But Tim's going to mention two products for you, okay? Here's Tim.
Hey guys, yeah, we have two products that we want to help you sell your property with. We have 100% financing with no mortgage insurance, by the way, and we've got some grants to back that up to help those first-time home buyers with closing costs and other costs associated with the loan. And we love partnering with Taj here, and we have a great relationship. So, and by the way, come on out. We're out here between 1 and 3 today, and we'd love to see you. And thanks for listening.
All right, we'll be here from 1 to 3. Come on out. See you soon. Bye.